Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a USB security key for Bank of America. For registering the USB security key, follow these steps. First, plug the USB security key into the appropriate port on your computer. Open your web browser and go to bankofamerica.com. Sign in using your credentials. From the home page, click on the Security Center. On the loaded page, toggle on two-factor authentication in the Additional Security Features section. Click Add next to USB security key. Set and enter your new PIN to register the key. Using the USB security key, once your USB key is registered, here's how to use it for transfers. After logging in, go to the Transfers tab and select Send Money to Someone. Enter the recipient's bank details and the amount to transfer. When prompted for the USB security key, tap the button on your plug-in key. Allow your web browser to access the USB to authorize the transaction. And that's it. Using your USB security key for Bank of America is simple and secure. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.